So here we are, arrived, Yellowstone National Park. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm standing in the Madison River right now, heading down to Old Faithful, gonna hit the falls, then we'll head up at our campsite for tonight. But day 7, Yellowstone National Park. Old Faithful, right on time. It's dinner time, and because we happen to be in Yellowstone National Park, and for the millions of people who have watched Yellowstone, the TV show, tonight's special is going to be John Dutton Alfredo. All right, normally Frank's favorite, but tonight it's John Dutton Alfredo. All right, so we're gonna add the Dutton Alfredo. We'll throw some protein into our John Dutton Alfredo. This, and feed a family of 12, basically, at this point. And it was all done on a hot plate, Patriot Power Generator 2000X. This wraps up day 7 of the 4Patriots Great American Road Trip, Yellowstone National Park, John Dutton Alfredo. I will see you guys in the morning to launch day 8.